Hey guys, it's Jordan from Coin Bureau Trading. Just a quick update on the crypto markets. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and let's get into it. Bitcoin is just holding on to its upward sloping bull market structure of higher highs and higher lows. We have closed candles above the previous higher low on this weekly time frame, and that is bullish. As I explained in this video 3 weeks ago, where I was looking at the previous higher low on the market structure on this bull market, I was calling for a big retracement. We were seeing the momentum indicators indicating that we were looking at least a 30% retracement to put in another higher low, and we did receive this on the charts. This means that for now, our bull market is intact and things are looking relatively good. For a full breakdown on this market structure, try to go back and watch my previous video on Is the Crypto Bull Market Over? Because I give an in-depth analysis on this market structure and exactly what to look for. We can clearly see that on this weekly time frame, we are in an upward sloping market structure that is looking relatively healthy. And right now, technically, it is looking like the bulls are stepping in to give us this higher low. If we can continue to confirm candles above this level, it will mean that statistically we are likely to go in and put in another higher high above all-time high. But if the bears are able to push us below this level and we do get weekly or monthly candle closes below this level, of course, that will be a lower low and a change in market structure, and then technically we are more likely to go in and put in a lower high below all-time high and then another lower low, and this would be the start of our bear market structure. We can see on this weekly time frame that we have now printed and confirmed a Harami candle pattern. For those of you who are not familiar with the Harami candle pattern, it is the pregnant mother of the previous trend that dies and gives birth to the new trend. It is a trend reversal pattern, and it usually is very reliable on these larger timeframes like the weekly, the monthly, and the daily. We can see that this double candle pattern has confirmed, and we are now seeing the continuation from that reversal. We are also now seeing, with 3 days left in the weekly candle, never trust a candle until it closes. But right now we are seeing a hammer at the new support of our new trend. Looking back in time, we can see how these Harami candle patterns have played out previously. One thing I want everybody to be very aware of and to be cautious of is that we have not printed a bullish divergence yet on this reversal. Usually in such big retracements, the whales will like to shake everybody out and make things less simple, and they do this by pulling in a bullish divergence, which we have not yet seen, because if we go to the daily time frame, we can clearly see that we are putting in a higher low on price. For a bullish divergence, of course, we would need a lower low on price and a higher low on our momentum oscillators like our RSI. I do hope that everybody took note of the levels when I gave them here on the channel 1 month ago. I used the fixed range volume profile to have a look at if we lost the current range when we were sitting up at 109K, where would be the levels to look for the next long. As we can see, the levels were identified very nicely. This high volume node towards the value area low of the previous range around 82,000, which is also an SMC order block and could potentially serve as a very nice long move. There we go. So using the fixed range volume profile, we did identify the volume node down all the way at 82,000. That did give us this beautiful long trade that we can see is currently in a profit of over 15%. Well done to everybody who did take note of this, did set the limit orders, and did get into this trade. Very important for everybody to take note of is our new campaign with WEEX. I have traded on WEEX in eSport trading championships, and really it is one of the best platforms I have ever traded on. It is extremely reliable when it comes to liquidity, and the UI and UX is very user-friendly and easy to execute trades on. Please, everybody, make sure you are taking advantage of this week's campaign, as it is free trading capital for your account. There is nothing better as a trader than trading with free capital and being able to make profits with zero risk. If you are trading with free capital, you actually have no risk. So let's take a little look at how to get this free capital for your account. And really, it is very easy. WEEX is making it super easy for us. For the first $50 futures trading bonus, all you have to do is deposit $100 and trade a $10,000 volume. A $10,000 volume might seem like a lot, but actually it's really easy to achieve by using leverage. If you deposit just $100 and open and close one trade on 50x, you will already reach your $10,000 volume goal needed to get your $50 bonus. The fees that you will pay will also not be nearly $50, so you will be making money on that trade even if you just open and close it. I would urge you not to just open and close a trade, but try to use the trading strategies that I have spoken about to open a trade, make some profits on your initial $100, and close the trade and rinse and repeat until you have reached the volume to get your free $50 trading bonus. You can then use this bonus to trade and make profits, and the profits are withdrawable. You can then also see that you can earn another $80 trading bonus simply by depositing $500 and reaching a $20,000 volume. This also then goes up for those traders who have access to higher margin to deposit $1,000, reach $100,000 in volume, and receive a $100 trading bonus. The rewards do not even stop there. If you are a futures trader hitting higher volumes, you can see here that if you hit a $10 million volume, you can claim a $1,000 USDT bonus. You can then go on to continue to climb in your volume and earn trading bonuses all the way up to $5,000 in bonus. And if you are climbing these volume levels, you can see that these bonuses do add up, right up to a $12,000 in total if you manage to climb the ranks of all of these volume levels. So please follow the link in the description, use the QR code right here, scan it, get involved, get the free capital, and trade with lower risk by using these trading bonuses. I would urge everybody to please try to check out this video that I have dropped recently on SMC order blocks. It is very important, and we are seeing on the charts right now just how profitable this strategy is and just how important it is that you add it to your arsenal within your trading plan. Let me quickly give you a solid example of why this trading strategy is so important and how you could have gotten the previous 2 sniper long moves that were given to us on the charts very recently. Watch the SMC video for a full in-depth breakdown on how to identify smart money concept order blocks, and I'm going to give a very quick breakdown now on the previous one. And if you missed it, of course, do not FOMO in, but just learn the strategy for next time. Alright, very simply, we can see here in our previous range a very clear downward sloping market structure of lower highs and lower lows. This is what we look for as our first part of our smart money concept trading strategy. Then we can clearly see here where there is a break of structure, where price comes in and gives us a higher high. This is known as the break of structure, and it is a change of character from the downtrend. We can also see that this is confirmed by an impulse move of larger bullish candles than we have seen on average for quite a while. Then, according to the smart money concept, you simply go back in time from the impulse move to your previous coil of red candles, and this will give you your first order block, which is a higher risk sniper entry order block. You simply take a rectangle and you draw it out from the candle bodies of this previous coil of red candles before the impulse move at the break of structure. You then also go and take the previous red candle body behind that last coil and pull it all the way out. This will give you your lower risk SMC order block. Then you watch price go up and you wait for the price to start mitigating back towards your order block. When we were up here in this range, I was being very vocal to everybody to look for a retracement back into the 80,000s, and everybody thought I was crazy. Everybody thought, no, we're just bullish from here. We're hitting all-time highs. We're making all-time highs. All in 100x life savings. We're going to the moon. There were the bearish divergences. There were a lot of reasons on the charts to look for a retracement, and one of the main reasons was that these smart money concept order blocks act as magnets for price, because this is where the smart money places their limit order buys, and these are large institutional orders. Lo and behold, we did see the mitigation. We did see price coming back to this magnet on the charts, pulling price back down towards the 80,000 level. We also then saw two beautiful moves playing out. If we zoom in to the 4-hour time frame on these order blocks, we can see the very nice movement that came in here and just how accurate these order blocks are. First of all, we can see how initially the first higher risk SMC order block was lost down to the lower risk order block, and there was a perfect entry from directly within the middle of the lower risk order block. Watch the SMC OB video to see exactly where you should be placing your stop loss and how you can manage these trades. We can then see that that trade went on very quickly to give us a nice return of 15%. We then saw price retrace back down to our higher risk order block, sweep that liquidity and give us a very nice sniper entry, now sitting in over 12% profit on spot. Of course, it is bullish now to see that Bitcoin has put in a higher low on this 4-hour time frame, but I urge everybody to be very careful here, because as I say, the whales do like to put in bullish divergences before they make a major reversal on these kinds of large retracements, and this would mean a lower low on price before actually reversing. Also very important to take note of here, I hope everybody has been watching my market cipher tutorials. Please do watch the trigger wave strategy video that I dropped last, because it is extremely important, and it's very clear to see the confluence that came in here with the trigger wave strategy and the SMC order block strategy to give us a very nice position of power here for the previous sniper long entry. And I know a decent amount of traders in my community got this entry, and congratulations and well done on the profits. They are well deserved. We can also clearly see now that it is a good time to take profits, as we are now seeing a red dot printing. We are seeing VWAP crossing, and money flow is threatening to turn to the downside. Watch the tutorial on the trigger waves for a full description of how we must now wait for money flow to be pointing down before we are sure of the short on this time frame. We can see how on the previous green trigger wave, we got all the 3 levels of confluence that we need for that strategy. We had the green dot on the wave trend, VWAP crossed to the upside, and our money flow was pointing in an upwards direction. It was an absolutely beautiful move. Now we must be snipers and wait for this 3rd level of confluence on the money flow before going short on this time frame, because we can see here that money flow is still pointing upwards, which means that it's not yet time to pull the trigger on the 4-hour short.